In today's video, I am going to teach you how to manually add a contact to Freshsales CRM. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Freshsales CRM account and you are looking at the main dashboard. The process is quick, but it is important to enter the right information so your contact records stay clean and easy to search later. First, go to the top navigation bar. Look for the quick add icon, shown as a plus sign. This button is designed to let you create new items from anywhere in the system without needing to navigate away from what you are doing. Click the quick add plus icon to open the drop-down menu. When the drop-down appears, select Contact. This tells Freshsales that you are creating a new person record rather than a deal or any other type of entry. After you click Contact, a form will open where you can type in the contact details. Now enter the contact information. Start with the last name field. This is mandatory, which means Freshsales will not allow you to save the record without it. If you only have partial information, you can still create the contact as long as the last name is included, and then update the record later when you have more details. Next, fill in any other details you have, such as an email address or a mobile number. Adding these extra fields helps with follow-ups, email syncing, and avoiding duplicates in your CRM. Take a moment to double-check spelling and formatting, especially for email addresses and phone numbers, since small errors can make it difficult to reach the person later or can cause your team to create a second record by mistake. Once you have entered the last name and any additional details you want to include, click Save. Freshsales will store the new contact and create their profile in your CRM so you can start tracking communication and related activity right away. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.